Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys.
We're the quarantine gardeners and it's day 15, Tuesday. And hi, how's everybody doing?
We are standing in a part of our yard that we have not shown you yet. It's this forgotten kind of side garden, side area of our house. It's a perfect garden space. Why? Because it gets a lot of sun over here.
You wouldn't know it right now, but this is the part of the house that just gets baked on most days when it's sunny. You might have a similar area in your yard around your house.
We find that we grow most of our tomatoes and a lot of squashes and tomatillos, stuff that needs that real high heat over here. We're going to put our loofahs on this side of the house, we think.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, totally. Yep, we're gonna try them out over here. First time growing them, so we'll see how it goes. And we'll document it and we'll show you
But
all.
for today, we need to clean this side of the garden up. It's not too bad, but it definitely needs a cleanup. It needs weeding. It needs some refreshing of the soil, right?
Yep, got to fluff it up and get the weeds out of here, and that's what we're going to do today.
Yeah.
So here, guys, we're going to show you real quick the area.
So
and then,
here's the tour.
Yep, here's our side garden.
So, and again, sorry, the fence and the side of the house aren't that pretty to look at, but you can see we've got some weeds. It's not too bad. But our goal today is to kind of refresh this. We used to have a nice rock path kind of all along here that you can see, and it's pretty buried right now.
Yep, over the years it's just kind of gotten moving around by all the weeding that's happened. So
hopefully we can kind of restore that today. We've got this cool area right in the middle that we actually have rock all around this, and then we usually do either some like a squash or something that grows tall.
Yeah, last year we did corn right there.
What did we do? Oh, we did. That's right.
That corn and then the squash around it that was supposed to go up it, and then beans.
Oh, the Three Sisters, or what was it?
The Three Sisters plant.
That was fun. And then we've had this here for years, so it's kind of hammered right now. But we grow a lot of beans right here.
Yep, you can see last year's remnants.
I know. We need to clean that up.
We'll get that cleaned up too.
So yay, we are gonna clean and weed.
Yep,
okay.
Here we go. Well, we got it all finished, everybody. So now we're weeded, and we think we're ready to plant this spring.
So we'll show you what we did. There's still always more little tiny weeds that start coming in this time of year, but we'll stay on top of it, and at least it's pretty much ready to go.
Yeah, so you guys want to take a look? Here we go.
Okay, so you can see we kind of got in here and got as much as we could. We have a couple more phases in here. If you can see, we want to get rid of this moss. It's kind of taken over our pathway here. You can see, so we have to scrape that off. That's on kind of all of our pavers. And then there's always little tiny weeds kind of that pop up. So we'll stay on top of it.
Yep. Weeding is an ongoing chore. Every gardener will end up knowing this if they don't already.
And the last thing would be kind of reclaiming this pathway. We've started digging up and finding the rocks, and we need more gravel in here eventually, but this will be fine for the year. And we got this all cleaned up, so this is ready to plant our next crop of beans and maybe some loofah or whatever we decide to plant here.
Yeah, if you guys remember in the beginning of this video, they were covered in last year's beans, then the vines. So Allison got in there and just got them all off.
Ripped them out.
Looks good. So you guys got to see what we did today. And while we were in here, Allison found some pole bean pods on the trellis that were still there from last year. And so she picked them off. And so we saved them, and we're going to plant them and see if they germinate. So we'll show you the progress on those if they come up.
We love beans. So yeah, we feel good. Mission accomplished. We got this weeded and cleaned out. Do you have areas of your yard that you need to weed?
If you do, you can use our video as an example and just clear it out like we did with a hoe and a rake, and then just go through and hand weed too.
Yeah, if you noticed in the video, Sean was using what's called a hula hoe. He loves that tool. We both do. It saves a lot of time and back-breaking work from like stooping over and pulling things.
Yeah, hula hoes. They're great. It's a metal stirrup on the end of a pole, and you just push and pull back and forth, and it basically scrapes the weeds up from the soil. It detaches them from the soil. It's fun and it's quick. It's good exercise.
It's a perfect tool for the spring, right? Because this is when a lot of new weeds start germinating, and it's hard to stay on top of all of them.
No, you're right.
So
totally
you can
right.
clear a whole area in minutes flat, and then just rake them into piles like Sean did on the video, and just pick them up after that.
Yep, it's really easy. So yeah, we'll link that down below for you so you can click on that and get an idea of what it looks like and what it costs. You might want one. You might want to try it out.
It's a great tool to have in your collection.
It is. That's it for us on day 15 of the Quarantine Gardeners. Hope you enjoyed this. If you have any comments or questions, let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button and let us know we're doing a good job or not. And subscribe so you can get updates to our newest videos and anything else we got going on.
And for now, you guys have a great day. Get out there and get in your yard. Get your hands in the dirt. Get your minds and hands busy. And we'll see you tomorrow.
Yep, we'll see you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, you guys.
Okay, bye-bye.